is a real conversation with my mom. I go, hello? She goes, hey, it's Mom. I go, I know. I have caller ID. Did I tell you about your sister? Yeah, you said she's getting kicked out of her house. Well, she's probably going to have to move. I go, no, Mom, she has to move. Well, I don't know where they're going to go. They can't afford to go anywhere right now. They're probably going to have to move with me. And if they move in with me, I don't have room for their stuff, so their stuff's going to end up in storage. And I've never even had a storage unit. I don't know what that's going to set them back. Well, you know what? We might have had a storage unit when we lived in Illinois. Remember we had that little white house and it had that fence that went around the side? Mom, I was 2. She goes, you wouldn't remember. Anyways, they just bought a bird feeder. The birds aren't even eating the food. The squirrels are running up the pole and eating all the food. And I go, Mom, I'm sorry, I'm just worried about them. They're adults, they'll figure it out. She said, how do you know the squirrels are adults? What are we talking about?